Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the molarity of a solution of ethanol in water in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. Assume the density of water to be 1. I will teach you an exclusive method for finding molarity if mole fraction and density is given. Molarity is equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 by density divided by mole fraction of solvent into molar mass of solvent. See, this is an exclusive method. So we can simplify like molarity M is equal to mole fraction of solute into 1000 by density divided by mole fraction of solvent into molar mass of solvent. Correct? Here what is mole fraction of solute, that is ethanol? It's given 0.040. Now what is mole fraction of solvent, that is water? It is 1 minus chi b. Correct? What is chi b? 0.040, and that is equal to what? 0.960. See, you must know chi a plus chi b is equal to 1. Okay, chi a plus chi b is equal to 1. Okay, so what is chi a? Chi a will be equal to 1 minus chi b. Chi b is this one, right? Okay, that is how we got the value of chi a. Remember that. Okay, just substitute the values in this equation. You will get molarity. What is chi b? 0.040 into 1000 by density. Density is 1, right? Density is 1. So 1000 by 1 is 1000. By, what is chi a? 0.960. And what is molar mass of water? That we know, right? What is the molar mass of water? See, H2O, right? 2 times 1. For hydrogen it is 1. 2 hydrogen is there, plus 16. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. On adding, you will get 18. So molar mass of water is 18. Okay. Now on calculating, you will get 2.31 m. Okay. Hope all of you understand. And one important thing, this method is a simple and unique trick, okay, for finding the molarity if density and mole fraction is given. But anyhow, you check with your teacher whether she accept this method or not. Okay, because she is the one or he is the one who is going to give you the mark. But anyhow, this trick will definitely help you to score marks in NEET and all. In CBSE exam also you can use this, but please check with your teacher.